63 engines inside AI memory. The cognitive core of NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise. The 63 specialized AI engines represent the cognitive intelligence ecosystem operating inside the AI memory of NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise. Rather than functioning as isolated algorithms, these engines operate as an integrated intelligence network that continuously captures, organizes, analyzes, reasons, governs, learns, and delivers enterprise intelligence. AI memory serves as the central cognitive repository, where enterprise knowledge, historical experience, business policies, regulations, organizational procedures, contextual information, reasoning patterns, and learned intelligence are preserved. The 63 engines collaborate within this environment to transform raw enterprise information into trusted, explainable, and actionable intelligence. Every engine contributes specialized expertise while simultaneously interacting with the remaining engines through governed cognitive workflows. This collaborative architecture enables NeuroGov Plus to perform multidimensional reasoning, enterprise-wide knowledge synthesis, predictive analysis, intelligent planning, governance validation, security enforcement, compliance monitoring, workflow orchestration, and executive decision support. Unlike traditional AI systems that simply retrieve information, NeuroGov Plus continuously enriches AI memory by learning from enterprise interactions, organizational knowledge, operational outcomes, and governed intelligence processes. AI memory therefore becomes an evolving enterprise intelligence asset capable of supporting strategic, operational, analytical, and governance-driven decision-making. The 63 specialized AI engines. The 63 engines collectively provide complete enterprise cognitive capabilities across multiple intelligence domains. 1. Governance and compliance engines. Ensure every recommendation complies with enterprise governance policies, organizational standards, ethical AI principles, security frameworks, risk controls, and regulatory requirements. 2. Knowledge and memory engines. Store, organize, classify, retrieve, and continuously improve enterprise knowledge, documents, historical records, policies, procedures, and contextual intelligence. 3. Data intelligence engines. Convert structured and unstructured enterprise data into meaningful knowledge while maintaining data quality, consistency, lineage, and integrity. 4. Context intelligence engines. Understand organizational context, user intent, operational conditions, historical situations, and business environments before generating intelligent responses. 5. Cognitive reasoning engines. Perform logical reasoning, analytical thinking, inference generation, hypothesis evaluation, evidence correlation, and explainable decision reasoning. 6. Learning and adaptation engines. Continuously learn from enterprise operations, user interactions, business outcomes, governance feedback, and organizational experience to improve future intelligence. 7. Predictive intelligence engines. Forecast future events, business risks, operational trends, customer behavior, financial outcomes, and enterprise performance using predictive analytics. 8. Decision intelligence engines. Evaluate alternatives, compare scenarios, measure organizational impact, and recommend optimized enterprise decisions supported by explainable reasoning. 9. Analytics and business intelligence engines. Generate dashboards, KPI analysis, performance metrics, statistical reports, executive summaries, and enterprise-wide analytical insights. 10. Workflow and automation engines. Coordinate intelligent workflows, automate repetitive processes, orchestrate enterprise operations, and improve organizational productivity. 11. Security and trust engines. Protect enterprise knowledge, enforce zero-trust principles, detect security threats, safeguard confidential information, and ensure trusted AI operations. 12. Responsible AI engines. Monitor fairness, transparency, accountability, bias mitigation, explainability, and ethical AI practices throughout the enterprise intelligence lifecycle. 13. Domain intelligence engines. Deliver specialized intelligence for healthcare, finance, education, government, manufacturing, legal, research, cybersecurity, and other enterprise domains. 14 Collaboration and communication engines. Facilitate knowledge sharing, collaborative reasoning, enterprise communication, multilingual interaction, and intelligent information exchange. 15 Enterprise experience engines. Present cognitive intelligence through executive dashboards, enterprise cockpits, visual analytics, conversational AI, reports, alerts, and intelligent recommendations. Together, these specialized engines create a unified enterprise cognitive ecosystem capable of supporting intelligent governance, enterprise automation, organizational learning, strategic planning, and real-time decision intelligence. Summary. The 63 specialized AI engines inside AI Memory form the foundation of NeuroGov Plus's cognitive intelligence architecture. Working collectively, they transform enterprise data into governed knowledge, knowledge into reasoning, reasoning into explainable intelligence, and intelligence into trusted enterprise decisions. AI memory is therefore not simply a storage repository, it is an active cognitive environment where knowledge continuously evolves through governed learning, reasoning, analytics, compliance, security, and enterprise collaboration. The integrated operation of the 63 engines enables organizations to achieve higher levels of intelligence, transparency, operational efficiency, and responsible AI governance. Power Summary. NeuroGov Plus AI Memory is a living enterprise cognitive intelligence system. Within this governed memory environment, 63 specialized AI engines operate as a unified intelligence network that continuously captures enterprise knowledge, preserves organizational memory, learns from experience, performs cognitive reasoning, generates predictive intelligence, applies governance policies, ensures responsible AI, protects enterprise security, automates business operations, supports executive decision-making, delivers explainable enterprise intelligence. Together, these engines transform AI memory into the enterprise intelligence powerhouse of NeuroGov Plus, advanced AI, enterprise, providing organizations with trusted, scalable, secure, explainable, and governance-driven artificial intelligence. About Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri is the founder and architect of NeuroGov Plus, advanced AI, enterprise, and the originator of its enterprise cognitive intelligence framework. His research focuses on integrating artificial intelligence, enterprise governance, cognitive reasoning, AI memory, responsible AI, decision intelligence, enterprise knowledge management, and explainable AI into a unified architectural framework. The concept of the 63 specialized AI engines operating inside AI memory reflects his vision of transforming enterprise AI from isolated machine learning models into a governed cognitive ecosystem capable of enterprise-scale reasoning, continuous learning, intelligent automation, transparent decision support, and regulatory compliance. Through NeuroGov Plus, Dr. Suri aims to establish a comprehensive enterprise AI platform that enables organizations to deploy trustworthy, secure, explainable, and future-ready artificial intelligence for government, healthcare, finance, education, research, manufacturing, and other knowledge-intensive sectors. Thank you for watching the video.